Hi guys, I'm Adnan Ali from Londonist DMC. So welcome to a tour of the Wick Park residence, Hackney, newest offering from Londonist DMC. Come on in. Welcome to Residence Common Kitchen, where you enjoy all the cooking and catching up with your friends. So to begin with, we got two sinks in here, and we got all the Samsung top-notch kitchen equipments. You can see up like oven in here, the microwave, and you got kitchen top on here. And if you come across, you can see two double-sized fridge and freezer for storing all your goodies. And if you come across, you can see a nice little social dining space in here where you can eat food, enjoy talking with your friends. The same sort of setup in here with a hob, and we got an oven in here, For laundry days, we actually got it covered with an in-house washer and dryer, which is completely free for students. And we got a nice little storage in here as well. And while you're doing laundry, so if you want to relax a bit more, have like to watch some sort of entertainment, we got a nice little cozy lounge in here with a really nice smart TV.
Mm-hmm.